Guruje, actually, what do you think about Gautam Buddha?
Well, I now suddenly I have some very high opinion on him. He was a real Buddha. And the story that he went for a drive in a chariot and he saw a sick man, an old man, and a dead man, and a sadhu. And he left his home and started his journey for enlightenment. So many people have presented it in many different angles, but I just realized that sickness will lead to old age. Old age will lead to death. So that is the journey. From sickness to death is a journey. And the sadhu which he saw, sadhu was happy because they already declared themselves as dead, then they move in society. So he will look happy. And I am sure now that his intent was what actually happens after death. That was his main search. Because this is a physical thing. Sickness, old age and death. The real life starts after death. And that is the greatest of the great mystery. So, in this search, he started his journey, tapas. And I am sure when he was sitting there, after practicing so much yoga under Alar Kalam and all these things, they say he stopped eating food and just reduced it to one hemp seed a day. He was trying to experience absolute near-death experience. When you are actually almost dying, then you begin to sense what happens after that. And then Adi Shakti graced him, and the Sujata with rice cooked in milk with so many herbs came, and that was a very potent brain tonic, and suddenly he began to experience what happens after death and what happens before taking birth. That is the real mystery. All religions are discussing it, but there is no definite thing. I am sure the enlightened man we discuss about Buddha, he discovered what happens after death, what realms are waiting for anybody, and what happens before taking birth. He himself remembered many of his births. That was his search for enlightenment, that what actually happens after death. So hats off to him.